This is Mohammed Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of WriterGPT. Today in this video, we are going to learn about unlimited plan, how to use this and how to do integration and get maximum from this plan. Okay, so first of all, after purchasing this plan, we need to go to settings tab. Here we will find multiple options where we need to go to API keys option. Let me just tell you one more thing, that in features tab, we can enable disable any of these options. Okay, so in API tab there are two options, that is Gemini API key and Open API key. So I have already connected these, but I will still let you know how to do this on your end. So first of all, you can click on this to get Google API key. Click on this link here, and now you need to create or view Gemini API key. If you have not created account, then please create your account and connect your payment gateway. So I will click on this link and it will go to Google AI Studio. Here you will create a new API key and you will give it a name, and you can choose your project and your API key will be generated. Then you can simply copy your API key from here. You can come back to WriterGPT and you can paste your key here. I have already pasted this key, but you can paste it here or you can replace it as well. Now you need to choose your model. I am using Gemini 2.5 Flash, but you can go with higher model as well, which is Gemini 3 Flash, and you can go with Gemini 2.5 3.1 Pro image preview as well for image generation. Now let's come to second option, which is Open API key. So click on this. If you are already logged in, you will directly be redirected to this platform, and now you simply need to click on create a new secret key, add a key name and create secret key, and your key will be generated. And then you can simply copy that key and paste your key here, and or you can replace your current key. And now you can choose models as well, like you can choose GPT 4.1, 4.1 mini or any of them, and you can choose image model as well. So after these models are connected successfully, now you can generate content, generate images. You can generate unlimited content and unlimited images. And for your information, one of our user have generated around 1500k words. That is almost 15 lakhs words within a month using WriterGPT and his own API key. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Keep sharing, keep supporting, keep using WriterGPT. Thank you so much. Goodbye.